Excavator synthetic.
Excavator. Excavator. An excavator is a key construction machine capable of deep digging, scooping soil, and lifting materials. Equipped with a flexible hydraulic arm, it operates efficiently across various terrains. It's an indispensable choice for projects of all sizes. Hydraulic breaker excavator. Hydraulic breaker excavator. A hydraulic breaker excavator is specialized for demolishing concrete, rocks, and hard structures. It delivers powerful impact force through a robust hydraulic system. This is the top choice for demolition and quarrying tasks. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. A bulldozer features a large front blade for leveling soil and clearing rough terrain. Its powerful engine ensures reliable performance in harsh conditions. Motor grader. Motor grader. A motor grader is used to create flat surfaces and precise gradients for roads. With an adjustable blade, it delivers high accuracy in final grading tasks. It's a key machine in road construction. Wheel loader. Wheel loader. A wheel loader features a large front bucket for quick scooping, lifting, and transporting materials. Its wheeled design allows for easy maneuverability on site. Crane. Crane. A crane lifts heavy items like steel, concrete, and large components. With its long boom and pulley system, it safely moves materials to elevated areas. It is vital for high-rise construction. Dump truck. Dump truck. A dump truck is used to transport soil, gravel, sand, and construction materials with a hydraulic tipping bed. Its robust design handles heavy loads efficiently on site. It is an essential vehicle for all types of construction projects. Double drum road roller. Double drum road roller. A double drum road roller has steel drums at both front and rear for balanced and powerful compaction. It is commonly used for compacting road bases and freshly laid asphalt. Backhoe. Backhoe. A backhoe combines a front loader and a rear digging arm in one machine. It is highly versatile for digging, scooping, and leveling in confined spaces. This equipment is ideal for residential and urban projects. Concrete mixer truck. Concrete mixer truck. A concrete mixer truck continuously rotates its drum to mix and transport fresh concrete to the site. Its special design prevents the mix from setting prematurely. This machine is crucial for maintaining concrete quality in construction. Pile driver. Pile driver. A pile driver installs steel or concrete piles deep into the ground to form solid foundations. It uses vibration or strong impact force to drive piles into tough soil. This machine is essential in foundation construction. Tower crane. Tower crane. A tower crane offers high lifting height and wide reach, commonly seen on high-rise construction sites. It lifts heavy loads to great heights safely and precisely. Tower cranes enhance construction efficiency in tight urban spaces. Asphalt paver. Asphalt paver. An asphalt paver spreads asphalt evenly and continuously across the road surface. It ensures consistent thickness and a smooth finish. This machine is key to building high-quality asphalt roads. Concrete pump truck. Concrete pump truck. A concrete pump truck uses a long boom to deliver concrete to hard-to-reach areas. It increases pouring speed and ensures high accuracy. This is an efficient solution for high-rise and large-area construction. Hydraulic breaker excavator. Hydraulic breaker excavator. A hydraulic breaker excavator is specialized for demolishing concrete, rocks, and hard structures. It delivers powerful impact force through a robust hydraulic system. This is the top choice for demolition and quarrying tasks.